was born by the hills of Kilbrannan, where the hawthorn blooms white in the spring, and the wind from the sea crossed the valley, like a mother still searching her kin. There were songs in the glow of the hearth fire, and stories the old people told, of the fields that were won and surrendered, and the hearts that would never be sold. Oh, the hills of Kilbrannan still call me, though I'm far from their rivers tonight, and I dream of the roads I once wandered, in the pale silver moon's gentle light. For a man may be driven from Ireland, and a lifetime may pass by unseen, but the hills of Kilbrannan live forever in the soul of the boy that I've been. Then the years brought their sorrow and hardship, and the young left with tears in their eyes, for the ships carried hope across oceans, beneath cold and indifferent skies. I still remember the morning when my mother stood silent and pale, as I turned from the gate of my childhood and followed the westward bound sail. Oh, the hills of Kilbrannan still call me, though I'm far from their rivers tonight, and I dream of the roads I once wandered, in the pale silver moon's gentle light. For a man may be driven from Ireland, and a lifetime may pass by unseen, but the hills of Kilbrannan live forever in the soul of the boy that I've been. Now the friends of my youth have grown older, many rest where the church bells once rang, yet I hear them in rain on the heather, and the echoes of old rebel songs. Though the world has laid roads all around me, and strange cities have entered my days, there's a path through the mist of Kilbrannan that my wandering heart always takes. So the hills of Kilbrannan still call me, and someday when my journey is done, lay me down where the curlews are crying, and the long Irish evenings are sung. For a man may be driven from Ireland, but her memory never grows weak, and the hills of Kilbrannan live forever in every old dream that I keep.